Hi everyone, this might sting a little, but it's time you heard this. No one is coming to save you, not your parents, not your friends, and not even God will do the work you are meant to do. You were sent here with free will, and that means one thing responsibility. You get to choose how you show up, you get to choose whether you fight or fall. And that power, it's scary because it means if your life sucks, it's partly on you. But it's also liberating because it means if you want to change, you can. As the Gita says, raise yourself by yourself. Don't let yourself fall. You are your best friend and your worst enemy. If that truth made you uncomfortable, good. That's where transformation starts. Now stop scrolling, start only. Thank you. Bye bye.